Hey guys, John here with Terminal Goblin Games, and today we're going to be talking about Dunst. And Dunst is a notification system, so you've probably seen notify send. Hello, we get a little thing up here. That might be really tiny. Dunst is an alternate one, and you can call it with Dunstify. Hello, and it looks the same at first here, but Dunstify has a couple of really good options. Like you can have answers. See, now we have little buttons here, and you could, can have more. And you see it returns these numbers here. Now, I don't know if that's a string or not. Okay, so it's returning a character. So it could be a number or a letter, as we see here. Now, you might be thinking, okay, well that's pretty useless. But you could use this in scripts. So if we, go to dunstify test.sh is equal to 1. And bash scripting has some weird syntax if you're not used to it. It says that, then we're just going to call another dunstify. You hit yes. And then finally the fee thing. So let's make this writable, or runnable, sorry, executable. Run it. And test script, yes, no, yes. You hit yes, congrats. And you can, make this be a little more, I don't need to do that. You can make this be a little more in-depth. You could have this call other scripts. So instead of saying, no to this, or you hit yes, we're going to run dunst yes.sh. So we gotta make dunst yes.sh. And this is just going to call. And so what this is going to do is, you could, if you have some complicated script setups that you don't want to smash into one script, you can have a lot of little scripts instead. And it worked. So hopefully you could see some use for that. I personally have this in a backup script to where it'll zip up each day. It'll zip up the contents of some folders, and it'll ask me, hey, do you want to upload this today? And I hit yes or no. Sometimes I'll upload it, other times I won't. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have something you want me to talk about, then also let me know that. All right, have a good day. See you guys.